Hello, this is Uday. In this tutorial, let's try to learn about rank and dense rank functions. So basically what exactly is the rank function and what is the dense rank function, what are their behaviors, their differences. We will try to learn about these two things in this video tutorial. So in the last video, we have learned about the importance of row number function. So what exactly is the row number? So in this screenshot, we see that the row number function keeps increasing integer by 1, and for every row, whatever partition that we have applied it, and for every row it goes on increasing one integer value in the incremental format. Okay, so it doesn't care about the duplicate values. So wherever there are multiple rows with the same values, it doesn't care about it, and it keeps on increasing the integer value by 1. So if you can see in this example, there are multiple different rows like with 88 as duplicate values and 60 as duplicate values and 55, but we see that the rank column has incremental integer values in each row. So this is what exactly the row number is. So how rank is different from this? So looking at the rank function, what exactly the rank function does is wherever there are duplicate values, the rank allocated to them would also be a duplicate. Like it keeps on assigning the same rank until and unless there are duplicate values to this the partition by clause in the over clause. Like see, we have got 88 marks for TED and same marks for gimme. The rank function allocated the same rank for both of these rows. Similarly, it applied the same rank for marks 60, whereas it been duplicated for similarly for 55. And we also see that the rank 2 is been missing out here. So what exactly the row number is does? Rank function does? It skips the rank and it allocates the immediately next rank. So what exactly it does is like, but the next row after the duplicate rows will have the rank it would have been assigned if there had been no duplicates. If there had been no duplicate, like then the sequence would be 1, 2 and 3. Since there are duplicate values and we have applied the duplicate ranks for them, that is why it has only applied the direct rank for this immediately after integer would be 3. Since the rank function skips rankings if there are duplicate values. We also see the same example out here. Like after 4 we see that the rank 5 has been missing, and immediately after 4 we see the rank 6. Okay, so this is basically the rank function. And when it comes to dense rank function, we see that so when there are duplicate values, so it allocates the same rank to all those duplicate rows, but it doesn't skips any rank in the sequential order. So what exactly the dense rank does? It gives the sequential order of ranking after the duplication of ranks. Right? It doesn't skips out anything. Like we can see the ranks are being in the sequential order 1, 2, and then 3 is being repeated since there are multiple marks, multiple values for the same marks. Right? Similarly, the rank is the next integer value is for 4, and there is the next rank for it, like for duplicate values. Okay, let's try to explore this using SQL queries. So I have got a table student wherein there are student IDs, name, class and marks. So let's try to explore a row number function first, like we already did in our previous video, but we try to pull it again. ID and name and class, marks. After this, I'll apply the row number over partition by, I want to partition it by class and then order by marks in the descending order. And I'll just give the column name as row number from student. So in this SQL query, we see that the integer value has been allocated for each group, since we have partitioned it by class, and wherever there are duplicate values, we see that it doesn't care about any duplicate values, and it keeps on assigning or applying the incremental integer values. So now when it comes to the rank function, we copy the same code. The rank function is quite similar to the row. I mean, the syntax is quite similar. We just have to apply the rank, and then the over clause would be same for the row clause as well. I mean, row number functions. And if you want to, so there is already a complete video been covered for the over clause. So I just recommend you to please go and watch those videos. So let's try to explore the rank. So rank function, what exactly he did is, so there is a grouping that we already applied, and then wherever there are duplicate values, it has assigned a duplicate ranks for them, and it has skipped the rank 2, and it has directly allocated rank 3 as it would have been assigned if there are no duplicate values, right? Similarly, it goes for row rank 4 and 6. So similarly, for the class 6 and class 3, it has applied the rank functions. Now, how about the dense rank? So dense rank is the syntax for all of them is same. We just have to change the function name. So I'll just give the column names as this is rank and this is dense rank. Okay. Now, while executing this, we see that there are duplicate ranks been allocated if there are duplicate values, but the next rank is the incremental rank for these rows, right? So immediately after 1, we see 2, 3, and then 4, and in continuous order. So even though there are duplicate values, the ranks have been duplicated, but the sequential order of rank is not getting skipped. So it is keep on incrementing basis on the number of integers, right? So this is basically the main difference between rank and dense rank function. So we see these two functions are being used in multiple scenarios, like so. If you want to find out the nth highest salary, or find out the second the employer where he is pulling out the second highest salary, something like that. So basically, what exactly the rank and dense rank function returns an increasing unique number for each row starting from 1, and for each partition when there are duplicate values, the same rank is assigned to all the duplicate rows, but the next row after the duplicate rows will have the rank it would have been assigned if there had been no duplicates. The rank function skips the rankings if there are duplicates. So this is the major difference between the rank and the dense rank. So the entire thing would be same, but only the dense rank, the next row after the duplicate rows, will have the next rank in the sequence. So this is basically the main difference between rank and dense rank. So if you like the video, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.